Zimbabwe Treasury boss George Guvamatanga accused of pocketing billions through kickbacks. Saive namashoko obuda panguva ino atona kuti vana Mutodi panguva ino they are now deleting my tweets after vaexposa kuti aiwa kuri kudyiwa mari with the ruling party ZANU-PF. Riri kusubscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina munamubuda nyuwa mchinse. Parliament has been rocked by sensational allegations that the permanent secretary in the Ministry of Finance, George Guvamatanga, is amassed more than $1 billion through illicit kickbacks on treasury disbursements. According to reports presented before Parliament, Guvamatanga, commonly referred to as GG, is accused of demanding between 5 to 10% from every treasury payment processed. This alleged practice has turned him into Zimbabwe's richest civil servant, despite his official monthly salary being less than $1,000. Sources claim that contractors, ministers, and departments that have refused to pay Guvamatanga the mandatory commission have said their payments withheld for months, even when Parliament had budgeted for them. One contractor, bitumen contractors, contracted for roadworks, allegedly have to pay Guvamatanga $200,000 for every 2 million weekly disbursement he authorized. Complaints from such companies have reportedly been escalated to members of the Budget Committee in Parliament. In a startling revelation, Parliament itself has allegedly been denied access to its operational funds for the past 6 months. The cash squeeze has gripped legislative operations, with the legislators accusing Guvamatanga of deliberately starving Parliament to tighten his control. Despite his civil service salary, Guvamatanga is said to own over 5,000 dairy cattle, extensive dairy farming equipment, multiple luxury mansions across the country. These revelations have prompted urgent calls for a lifestyle audit into his wealth. Mutodi, a member of the parliamentary committee overseeing this matter, announced that Guvamatanga allegedly threatened to deploy a terror team against him after hearing that Parliament was considering launching a lifestyle audit and referring the matter to the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission ZVAITWA. Ndo zviri kuitika muZANU-PF zvimuri reZimbabwe. Tudze munori kudii pamusoro penhau iyi aina Guvamatanga, mamuri kuona kuti these guys aiwa vari kuita mari zvisingamboiti asi macitizens achisafa nokuda kwecorruption. Pinda comment section medu dzimafuniro enyu, subscribe or like, sit on the bell icon.